Alright, so today we're going to show you how to epoxy a delaminating edge. You're going to need C-clamps, some sort of metal to disperse the or diffuse the pressure, and then you're also going to need some epoxy you can buy at any local hardware store. So you're going to take your epoxy and you're going to mix it together, and you want to mix it until you have one solid color inside of that, one consistent color inside of the cup. Then you're going to use some sort of tool to put the liquid epoxy.
Hold up, I'm blurred. Okay.
To force it inside of between the top sheet and the core material. And you want to make sure you get a good consistent spread. You can use a little bit of Scotch tape on the underside to protect your base if you care about the board. So then you're going to use two pieces of metal to distribute the pressure evenly and not put a hole and puncture your board. And you should see epoxy oozing out like that when you tighten it down. You're going to want to wipe that clean before you let it dry. And like I said, you can put some Scotch tape down there to protect your base. And you can clamp this once or twice. Now you're going to let this dry for approximately 24 hours, and then we're going to come back to it tomorrow. Alright, so now to finish up your board, all you're going to need is a file and a razor blade. You can go ahead and take your clamps off. And along the edge of the board, you're going to want to use a razor blade and just come straight down and take it off. And then on the top sheet of your board, use a file. You don't want to go all the way down to the top sheet, but you do want to take it down enough so that cosmetically it looks fine. Using the file is just like an artsy process. Cool, and that should be it for fixing a De-lam on your top sheet.